Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you're doing well. We see Cernovich here say something that is typical of the white supremacists and the alt-right, far-right. He writes, "We pay taxes to fund the invasion and occupation of our land." So he's hinting at the use of the language Arabic and then also Muslim phrases and then Arabs, because in the very short clip, it's something just normal clip. I didn't see anything wrong in the video. He just said, that the Arab ethnicity is growing in the police force, and he said, Alhamdulillah. This isn't really a big deal, but again, he's dog whistling to the far right in order to stay relevant. This is where many right-wingers are going. Because the Groypers and Nick Fuentes are getting really popular, they've shifted the Overton window. People gotta go over there and be part of that group if they want to stay relevant, want to stay on top of the influencer tier list. And the weird part is how are Arabs invaders? How is Islam an invasion? And how many Americans live off of welfare and don't pay taxes who are white Christians? I find it odd how if someone is non-white and they're on welfare, it's okay to ridicule them. If you're white and on welfare, there's a different type of hierarchy. He didn't call the South African immigrants who are white invaders, but he calls Arabs invaders and Muslims invaders. No, there's no Arab occupation of the United States of America. There's no Muslim occupation in the United States of America. America is secular, liberal, atheist. And Christians are losing against the atheists and have been since the 60s. It's fascinating how they're so intimidated by a very short clip of someone being happy that there's Arabs in the police force, and simply for saying all praise is due to Allah. What? So because he says a couple phrases in Arabic that are religiously Islamic and mentions the fact that non-whites are growing in the police force, this means that America is occupied, the white man is occupied, the white race is being invaded by browns and blacks? Very strange behavior, but I just wanted to note it here because if you're going to be in the police force, you are a legal immigrant for the most part. Maybe there's some illegals who magically sneak in, but the fact of the matter is you gotta have papers. So when people try to say, oh, it's all about legal immigration, oh really? Well, I'm pretty sure these police chief and just the citizens in general are legal immigrants. So he's complaining about legal, non-white immigrants. He's complaining about Muslim immigrants, even though we have the First Amendment. And nothing in the Bill of Rights and Constitution says Muslims can't come to America. Something to really think about when you see these influencers and how they like, oh, I'm Christian, I'm so loving, I'm a pacifist, you know, Jesus is king, they say, but do they really embrace that sort of softness that comes? They mock the Pope, call him woke and whatnot. I find it interesting, truly. The whole we pay taxes for X, Y, and Z. I haven't seen this guy advocate for free healthcare. I haven't seen him advocate for, like, boosting the welfare system to help people, to help homeless veterans and whatnot. On the Republican wing, they usually cut those programs. So what does he want his taxes to go for? I'll be very curious to see.